At Janeé 3D Prints, we specialize in turning your creative ideas into reality with our top-notch 3D printing services. Whether you're a student looking for unique project models, a home decorator seeking custom pieces, or a business in need of promotional items, we've got you covered. Our 3D printing service offers unparalleled customization, allowing you to create one-of-a-kind items that perfectly match your needs. From intricate decorations to functional prototypes, our prints are designed to impress and built to last. But that's not all. We also offer expert social media management to help you promote your brand effectively. Our team will set up and manage your social media accounts, creating engaging content that boosts your online visibility and drives sales. We'll handle everything from content creation to audience engagement, making it easy for you to focus on what you do best. With Janeé 3D Prints, you get the best of both worlds: cutting-edge 3D printing and professional social media management. Let us help you stand out and succeed in today's competitive market. Ready to take your ideas to the next level? Contact us today to get started.